Thank you, Peter.
Okay, thanks, Momchil. Indeed, we are watching very carefully the preparations for the process of the nationwide vote on the amendments on the Russian constitution. There are various amendments submitted, and one of them, I will not comment on the one which you just mentioned, because I think the length of term of office of leaders is for countries to decide, but the one amendment which is particularly interesting from our point of view is the one on ensuring the primacy of the Russian constitution over the international law and over the decision of the international courts. And this amendment is based on the opinion of the Venice Commission, not in line with Russia's international commitments. So this we are watching very carefully, very intensively, and we hope and we expect Russia to do everything necessary to maintain the legal framework in place that would ensure that the commitments, the international commitments of Russia are being upheld.
Thank you, Peter. So still continuing with international relations, so only keep your hand raised if it's on that. Tommaso. You have the floor.
Good morning. I hope it's for international relations. It concerns the lifting of the travel restrictions on the 1st July. No, it's not.
Hold on, let's see if we're finished with that. Let's see if we're finished with that. We'll come back to you. Momchil, you had a follow-up perhaps?
Yes, I have a follow-up. I mean about the terms of Putin. Peter, you just said that the length of the presidential terms are up to the states, but I think that every European state has some limitations for the presidents, and Russia practically does not have some such limitations. So that's the reason I'm asking about the assessment of the European Commission, also of the terms of the Russian president.
Sorry, if I can intervene here, Momchil. There are constitutional arrangements in EU member states, and the European Union obviously is constituted of 27 member states. As far as I know, Russia is not a member of the European Union. Its constitutional arrangement when it comes to its institutional setup are its own internal affairs. What is clear is that when it comes to the international relations of Russia, which might therefore have an impact on the European Union, we may indeed well have something to say. But on whether there should be a limited number of terms for president or not, this is not something for which the European Union should have something to say, simply because there are different arrangements possibly in the European Union. There are no links between the two issues.